C2 integration example 5. So the first thing I need to do is show that the integration between 0 and 2 of 3x squared minus 4x dx equals 0 and interpret the results. So first thing I need to do is integrate 3x squared minus 4x with respect to x. So add 1 to the power, that gives me x cubed, and divide by the new power, so 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. And then same here, that would give me 2x squared. And I'm integrating this between 0 and 2. So when I substitute in 2, I get 8 minus 2 lots of 4. And when I substitute in 0, I get 0 minus 0. So I get 8 minus 8, which equals 0. But of course, if we have a look at the graph, where we are cutting the x-axis at 0 and 4 over 3, we have something like this. And the actual area between, so that's at 0 and that's at 4 over 3. And 2 is over here. And we can see that if we come up from 2 to our line, we're actually getting the area of this part underneath the line, which will be a negative area, and this part above the line, which has a positive area, and them two cancel each other out. So we actually have to do the integral between 0 and 4 over 3, and the integral between 4 over 3 and 2. So area between 0 and 4 over 3 cancels area between 4 over 3 and 2. So for part 2, when we asked to find the total enclosed area of the curve and the line x equals 2, we are integrating between 0 and 4 over 3 of 3x squared minus 4x with respect to x. And we're going to add on the integral between 4 over 3 and 2 of the same curve. So I'm going to do that now. So I am evaluating x cubed minus 2x squared between 0 and 4 over 3, and I'm going to add that on to the same integration, but this time evaluated between 4 over 3 and 2. So from this one, substituting in 4 over 3, I get 64 over 27 minus 32 over 9 minus 0, 0. And then I'm adding on the evaluation of this one, which is 2 cubed, which is 8, minus 2 lots of 2 squared, which is 8, minus 4 over 3 cubed, which is 64 over 27, minus 32 over 9. So from this first bracket, I end up with minus 32 over 27, and then over here I am adding on 32 over 27. But of course this area is only negative because it's below the x-axis, so we just take that as 32 over 27. So the total area is 32 over 27 plus 32 over 27, which gives us 64 over 27 for our total area. So this is teaching us that we need to be careful when we're integrating to make sure that we don't end up losing area due to it being underneath the line and then subtracting from the area that is above the line.